How to use the Magic Eraser in Canva. Canva is a versatile tool that goes beyond just presentations. It is one of the best programs for creating different types of media. It is user-friendly and very comprehensive. To explain how the Magic Eraser works, I have an image here that says buy and sell. How do you easily erase this text with the Magic Eraser? You do this as follows. You click on the image, you go to Edit Photo, then to the Magic Eraser tool. The Magic Eraser is a brush where you can indicate which text you would like to see removed. So we color the byte text and you can see that the byte text has been removed. Now you only do the S. Exit the Magic Eraser tool and you will see that the text has been removed beautifully. We zoom in again. Then you can hardly see where the text was. This way you can easily use the Magic Eraser tool from Canva. The Magic Eraser cannot be used with the free in tub, but is only for Canva Pro. Use the link in the description for a free trial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content tips.